Hello everyone, I wanted to come on and demonstrate how I use Kahoot. You can navigate to the Kahoot page and it's kahoot.com. Then to the right is where you can log in. When you first log in, this is what the home page looks like. To create a game, I navigate to create a Kahoot. Next up, I just push the create button, and this will take me to where I enter the questions and the answers. First off, I like to start with choosing a theme. The theme is basically the background design on your questions. Of course, you just type your question right where it says type question here. And of the square, that is the character limit. So you do have a set character limit when you're creating your questions. At the top, you can modify the font. There's bold, italics, subscripts, superscript. Add some symbols and put a math equation in there. Right after you type in the question, this little square right here, you can choose to put an image inside of the question. Below the image is where you can type the answer options that are available to the students. Let's see. Pane to the right of the screen. This is where you can decide what type of question it is. It can be, I have mine set up as a quiz, but it can be true or false. They can also type their answer in, or let's say have a slider of a scale, like choose a number 1 to 10 or a puzzle. And now we can navigate to the time limit. The time limit is how much time each student has to answer the question. It can be set, as you can see, 5, 10, 20, 30 seconds. I feel that 30 seconds is usually more than enough time for each student to have to input on their cell phone the answer. And they select the answers by selecting the matching color of the answer that they want. Below that is the points. You can decide if you want to double the points of this question, no points, or the standard number of points. Also, if there's more than one correct answer, you can change that under the answer options. Now, after you have completed the settings on the question, just go ahead and click Save. And you can give a general description for your students. If you look to the pane on the right side of the screen, this is where you can go in and access the quiz that you just created. You go ahead and click Start to host the game. I always choose the classic mode. Up to 10 people can play. And this is the instructions that you give your students to log in. The website changes slightly. It's www.kahoot.it, or they can either download the app, and when they get to the login page, they'll just go in and click will input the game pin, and after players join the game, you can go ahead and push the start button, which you'll see how many players they have there. You can go ahead and click the start button and it'll administer your quiz, and it will tally the scores at the end. Thank you for watching.